Hey everybody, welcome back. Here's a 3-day timeline of what's been happening here in the backyard, Northeast Ohio.
Okay, how's it going out there, everybody? First Alert Meteorologist Jeff Tanchak with you here. This is a unbelievable winter pattern that we find ourselves in, and I mentioned this yesterday. This is the worst that I've seen in years around here.
Yep, and that's why I'm glad this showed up Friday afternoon, well before the storm. Can't wait to get this unboxed. I want to see what's in here. Of course, I know what it is, but I'm anxious to see a fellow YouTuber, one of my favorite guys out there, Race Vice Smokehouse and Grill, talk pretty highly about this company and their product. So I figured, why not? Let's check it out. So as you can see, I have 2 packages. Oh, look at that. 2 stickers. Love that. Paradise Pepper Company, Paradise, Texas. Bought the Texas Trio kit. Here we have the Rockin' Chicken, all-purpose seasoning. Here's the Cherry Bomb, recommended for beef and pork. I'll probably use it everywhere. And here's the one. You know what that means. Yeah, that's the money rub. I've already tasted this stuff. It's really good. Show those guys some love over there. Get on the website. Order that stuff up. I'm very impressed with the quality of it. Now let's get after using some. Yeah, I know. 8 a.m. Saturday. 2 gallons of water. 4 giant soup bones. Salt, pepper, garlic, onion, sage, and thyme. You can see it's almost noon. This is reducing down and getting real beautiful. Got big plans for this. Short ribs. Now it's time. Now I'm only going to use 2 of these. Let's start out with some good old money rub. This has your good stuff in it. Salt, black pepper, garlic, onion, lemon pepper, celery, smoke and spices. I'm going to be pretty liberal with this. And now here is the Cherry Bomb. This stuff isn't just salt and sugar. Black pepper, paprika, garlic, turbinado, garlic, onion, chili powder, some beautiful MSG, mustard, celery, lemon pepper, smoke flavor, and spices. It's got a little kick to it, not too bad. Again, going liberal with it. Want to make sure these are all covered well. At this point now, it's so cold on our back porch, about 38 degrees, I can set this out and let them rest while my bone stock finishes. Now, while these are going to set and rest, I will strain and separate my bone broth, set that aside for the moment, and move on to my next step. So, lightly floured into some hot oil. I want to get a quick golden brown and sear on these. Yeah, that right there is what I'm talking about. This is going to play a key role later. So, once finished with all of them, I prepped my pot, threw in some diced onion, some chopped carrot, and we're going to add a little something special here. A nice Pinot Noir. Got to have a little vino. Now I'm going to dump in about 1/3 of this bottle, given the size of the recipe I'm going to have. At this point, my wine is getting warmed up in there with everything. So I'm going to set some of these beautiful nuggets in here. I think I can get 6 of them in there. I'm going to reserve the rest of them for something a little bit different. Got my bone broth, of course, separated most of the fat. There's very little there. I've probably got a good quart, maybe a quart and a half there. Just want enough to cover that up. After about an hour, things have been simmering pretty nicely. And I want to make this a little more hearty. So I got 4 rough chopped potatoes. This will really fill you up. And as if that wasn't enough, Mrs. Barbecue decided we should have some homemade dumplings with that. I would never say no. She's just gonna spoon and drop those right in there. Trust me, you will definitely want to do this. Now, after 7 hours of time, with an additional 30 minutes heat turned off, setting in the pot, you can see this is still steaming hot. The beef is falling apart. Those dumplings are looking good. Potatoes are cooked through, soft but not mush. Same thing with the carrots. The smell and the taste of this is unbelievable, guys. You gotta give it a try. Look at that. It's late Saturday afternoon. The snow is already starting out there. The cold is here to stay for a while. I'm gonna have a bowl of soup. And we wake up the next day, Sunday morning. Yeah, we haven't had snow like this in a long time. Oh, look, the kids are out playing.
Come on.
At least somebody's having fun. I'm the one that has to go out and snow blow the entire driveway and the sidewalks. Yeah, have fun. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will have more coming soon. Here she goes.